Why choose us? Because we have an efficient dumpster rental process. Easy booking system. Our process starts with a hassle-free booking. You can quickly reserve a dumpster online or over the phone, making it convenient for everyone. Fast and reliable delivery. We know time matters. That's why we focus on getting your dumpster to you fast. Flexible scheduling for pickup. We offer flexible pickup scheduling to fit your timeline, making the entire process worry-free. Variety of dumpster sizes. Whether you have a small home project or a big construction job, we have different sizes of dumpsters. Clear instructions and support. We provide easy-to-follow instructions for using our dumpsters. Plus, our friendly team is always here to help with any questions. Contact us or visit our website for more details.